So far we have discussed about sequential stream, okay, and how multiple methods around it, how to work with it. Now let us discuss about parallel streams. Now parallel streams, the name suggests they are going to process our data parallelly, okay. So what is parallel stream? So basically parallel stream in Java utilize the concept of multi-threading to process data concurrently and potentially improve the overall performance. So basically it uses multiple threads to process the data concurrently because all the threads will run concurrently. So the parallel stream framework automatically divides the workload into smaller tasks and assign them to multiple threads for parallel execution, right? So it creates multiple thread, and the workload we have, it will divide into smaller tasks and that will be assigned to the threads and they will be running concurrently. So it leads to the overall performance of the operation. Okay. Now let us go next and see what is the difference basically between the sequential stream and the parallel stream. So in case of sequential stream, it processes elements in a stream in a serial manner, okay, one after the other, okay, because it has just one single thread. Sequential stream uses only single thread, and hence it has to process operations in one after the other, okay. Now operations are executed in a single thread following the order of the stream, okay, and then suitable for small to medium sized data sets or operations where the order of execution is important. Now this is very important, so the points are it is suitable for small to medium sized data set, and also the order of execution is important because sequential stream gives the output data in the same order it has taken as an input, okay, whereas in parallel stream the data order is not maintained. So if it is order of execution is important, then it is must to go with the sequential stream. And also for the smaller data size or smaller to medium data size, sequential stream is better. Then let us discuss about parallel stream. So processes element in a stream concurrently utilizing multiple threads, because it creates multiple threads and the process will be divided into smaller tasks and then it will be assigned to all the threads. Operations are divided into multiple tasks that can be executed simultaneously on different threads, right? And then after that all the result are merged and that becomes the output from the process. Suitable for large data sets or operations that can be performed independently. Now this is very important, that those operations should be performed independently. If they are dependent to each other, then we will have to go with sequential stream, because output of one process will depend on the other process, right? So if one process gives the output, that will be used as an input to the other process, then sequential stream has to be used. But if those operations can be performed independently, then it is good to go with parallel stream to get the things done faster. Created by converting a sequential stream to a parallel stream using the parallel method. So this parallel method, it can convert a sequential stream to parallel stream. Other than this, we have a parallel stream method that can be called directly on a collection to convert into a parallel stream. Now all these applications of methods and how does the method chaining and all happens, that we are going to discuss in the next sessions. So I hope you understood by and large what is sequential stream, what is parallel stream. Of course we are going to do some program around parallel stream. There is another very important thing is, when we have a small to mid-size data and when we are using parallel stream, because in parallel stream there is underlying resource consumption due to creation of multiple threads, okay, so that becomes ineffective when we have small data set to process. And in the upcoming video we are also going to take a performance test on the sequential stream versus parallel stream. We will have certain number of data set, we will do some processing, and then we will see which stream is performing better. and again we will increase the data set significantly, and then we will see which stream performs better. So that we have a lab, we will be writing a program, and we will be checking how much time the process is going to take when we are using sequential versus parallel. Okay, that will make things very clear about how to use parallel stream and when to use. Okay.